As a result, we are experiencing blank page issues, redirect loop issues, download failed issues, and expired installer link issues. Let's understand the solution for the gateway download problem or the gateway not able to download issue. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades, I have been helping lot of folks in IT industry, making them a professional in Power BI, developer, SQL activities, database administrations, data engineering, Databricks, AI, DBA, and lot more. In this short video, let's understand about how to resolve the data gateway problem. Let's get started how to get into it. Here it is. Because of the CDN updates at Power BI site, we have this issue, and on my screen now, I'll just quickly take you on my screen. Here is a problem. Once you log into Power BI portal, click on the small dot, the download option. Go to data gateway. Ideally, it should take us to the download page. However, because of the recent CDN updates, gateway link is not working. The link got broken. Page not found problem. How do you resolve it? Yes. By default, it is taking you to community.fabric.microsoft.com. So I have a solution for you. From my Power BI training classes gateway chapter class notes, you have an alternative link, powerbi.microsoft.com ENUS gateway. Click, it will redirect you to Power Platform products. This is the actual website link from which you can happily download the gateway and proceed with your job work. You can download either standard mode or personal mode, and I'll be surely making a video about the differences between these two. So here is a solution to the broken Power BI gateway download page. I'll include this URL in the description box for you to easily access. That's it from this video for now. And any further questions, clarifications, or you wanted to level up yourself in SQL or the related data warehouse analytic, OLAP, AI, or data science areas, please do consider our branded SQL School. We have been here in the service for last 2 decades, grooming and helping lakhs of IT folks. Live online, self-paced videos, in-house classroom, anyone, anytime, we are here to guide you step by step. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you there in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.